next project. Whoop.
Just trying to get the hole in the floor, bro. K-Town. Bertram. First time I drove this car was probably about 22 years ago. How you doing, matey?
What are you doing with it?
Jacob.
Yeah, what are you doing with that?
We got a few old Commodores.
Yeah,
So we're just gonna probably fix it up and
it's got a good gearbox in there.
it does, eh? Yeah.
Manual, I bought it, you know, for the gearbox and upholstery and that. But I got this other one over here, BS.
Oh yeah.
I wanted to try and sell it for 4.
Yeah, that's it. You can only do so much at once, eh?
It's all licensed already.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. You know, look at it.
Well, have a quick look while we're here, eh?
Oh, cool.
We've got to leave the full drive running because it doesn't start good. Doesn't start.
I've got a battery there.
It's just
Don't start? Huh?
it's just
Yeah, she old, that one.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know what it is, man. It's just wiring.
We'll just yeah, old girl, yeah.
You right there?
Should be alright. Oh.